Students, now we will start question number 6 from exercise 4.1. Question is, set up an equation in the following cases. Now cases are given and according to that we have to make an equations. So we have to read this case and we have to make equation for that. Now the first one is, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Now take m to be the number of Parmit's marble. Now here the m, the variable is given. Now question mean to say that Irfan is having 7 marbles more than 5 times the Parmit's marble. That means Parmit's marble is equal to m, which is given. Total take m to be the number of Parmit's marble. That means Parmit's marble is equal to m. Now in that Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. That means Irfan is having more than 5 times the marble which Parmit is having, and in that 7 more marbles. That means 5 times the marbles which Parmit is having. That means Parmit is having m marble and 5 times of m, that means 5m, and in that 7 more marble Irfan is having, and after that Irfan has 37 marble. That means which is total is given, Irfan has 37 marbles. So this means to say Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times of Parmit's marble. That means Parmit is having m number of marbles, and in that Irfan is having 5 times more than Parmit's marble, and in that he is having 7 more marbles in 5m. So and Irfan is having total 37 marbles. So here we can write 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. So here we can write, let Parmit have m number of marbles. Irfan has 5 times Parmit's marble, which is 5m. That means Parmit is having m number of marbles and Irfan is having 5 times more of Parmit's marble. So it is 5m. Now in that also is having 7 more than 5 times Parmit's marble. So 5m plus 7. So we can write, since Irfan has total 37 marbles, so we can write 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. Now moving to the next question. Next case is, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Now take Lakshmi's age to be y years. Here the variable for Lakshmi's age is given, which is y year. So question meant to say Lakshmi's father is 49 years old and he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Now here the question meant to say the Lakshmi's age is y year. Now his father's age is is 4 year older than 3 times. That means 4 year older than 3 times. That means Lakshmi's age is y. That means 3 times of that is equal to 3y, and 4 year also older in that. So Lakshmi's father age is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 4 years older, first of all 4 years older, that means 4 years older than Lakshmi's 3 times age plus 4, which is his father's age. Now his father's age is given, which is 49 years. So here we can write 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. So here we can say that Lakshmi's age is y and his father's age is, it is given 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. That means 3 times of Lakshmi's age, which is 3y. In that also is 4 years old. So 3y plus 4, and now the total Lakshmi's father's age is given, which is 49 years. So here we may write 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. So here we have to write, let Lakshmi's age be y years. So 3 times Lakshmi's age is equal to 3y years, and according to given case Lakshmi's father's age is equal to 3y plus 4 years. Now since father's age is 49 years, So equation for that is equal to 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Now moving to the next question. Now the third question is, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. Take the lower score to be L. Now question meant to say that the teacher tells the class that highest mark obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. That means here the lowest score is given, which is L. So here we can write lowest score is given, which is L. Now teacher tell the class that highest marks obtained by student in her class is twice the lowest marks. Twice the lowest marks, that means twice L and plus 7 marks. In that also we have to add 7 marks. That means teachers tell the student that the class that highest marks obtained by student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7, and the highest score is 87, which is given. That means twice L plus 7 is equal to 87. So here this is how we have to write for that. Let the lowest marks obtained in the class be L. Therefore twice the lowest marks is equal to twice L. Now the highest marks are 7 more than the twice the lowest marks. That means twice L plus 7, which is highest marks. Now highest marks are given, which is 87. So we can write, since the highest marks scored in is 87, therefore equation will be twice L plus 7 is equal to 87. So moving to the next question. Last question is, in an isosceles triangle the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Let the base angle to be b in degrees. Remember that sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. Now question meant to say that what is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle, a triangle in which two sides are equal. Now in that, if two sides are equal, so angle of that two is also equal. So these two angles are equal, and this angle is called vertex angle, which is twice than this one. Suppose this is my b degree, this is my b degree, so this angle will be twice b degree, because here that is given, let the base angle be in degrees. So isosceles triangle means triangle in that two sides are equal, and if sides are equal, so angle will be also equal, that two angles were also equal. So for example, this is my b degree, this is my b degree, so the vertex angle means this is the opposite angle of this one, so this one is twice b degree. Now we have to make equation for that. So we all know equation for the sum of angles of triangle is equal to sum of all angles, or sum of angles of triangles is equal to 180 degree. Now here we have to make equation. So here we can make the equation b degree plus b degree plus twice b degree, which is 180 degree. Now b plus b, here all are in like term. Like terms mean we can add this one, twice b plus b, which is 1b. So twice b plus b, 3b degree plus 1b is equal to 4b degree is equal to 180 degree. So this is how we have to make equation for this one. So here we can write, let the measure of each base angle of isosceles triangle be b degree. You can either write degree or you can also denote with symbol. Then therefore the measure of the vertex angle is equal to twice b, as I shown you. Now since the sum of the measures angle of the three angle of triangle is 180 degree, so therefore 2b degree plus b degree plus p degree is equal to 180 degree. Now 4b equal to 180 degree, 2b plus b is equal to 4b is equal to 180 degree. So here we are completing exercise 4.1 and this question. If you are having any queries or doubts regarding this, then you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.